Okay, so meron kami cup noodles kasi nagutom kami. So gumawa kami ng cup noodles, yung mga baon namin. Kasi wala kaming fork. Yun ang hindi na thought process. So, ang nangyari, sabi ni Joe, ganito daw ang survival skills. Oh, yung wait. Yung wrapper, binilot para ito yung makeshift na Oh, Joe! Pwede na guys, pwede na. So, kung wala kayong tinidor, remember, Joanna Ong taught you this.
You're welcome, guys.
Okay. Hello, good morning guys. It's day 2 of our trip in Singapore. Ang gulo ng gamit ni Joe. Joke lang. Joke lang. So ayun, pupunta kami today sa Chimes, Raffles City,
Morning.
and National Museum. So,
Time check.
fit check muna, fit check. Mag-fit check muna kami. Bye guys. Mamaya babay kami ng hotel para magpalit. And then we'll go to free practice! Wow!
It's about time.
Yes, it's about time. Bye guys! Hi guys. Nakuha kami ng seat sa double-decker na bus. Double-decker. Kasi oops. Sorry pa. Ayan. So, dito kami sa second floor ng bus. Going to saan tayo pupunta? Chimes. Hey guys. So, punta kami Chimes. Kaso sarado pala. So, I mean like, hindi naman sarado, pero merong event. Kaya, wala na pinicture na lang namin. And then, alis na ako, kain na lang kami ng breakfast sa McDonald's. If, bukas na. Hello guys, so we're here sa McDo, sa Funan Center. Gonna eat some breakfast. Joe is ordering. Ooh, thank you, Joe. Charot. Charot. This is my order. 2-piece hotcakes with Crocs and then yung hash brown.
I have sausage McGriddle, and then I got a hot latte and hash brown.
Okay, we just finished eating breakfast at McDo. So now we're going to take our photos sa Old Hill Police Station, which is this really colorful building. Wow! Okay, dito na kami sa loob ng the National Gallery of Singapore. Look at the interior. Ay, ayan. What's interesting to me is I think dito dadaan yung cars later as there's a grandstand facing here. So, that's exciting. We're done with going to the raffles. Now we're here at the Heineken pop-up. I think it's about Max Verstappen. So, look at this.
Endorser of Heineken.
Ayan. Helmet of Max Verstappen. Are you the best driver? They got sim racing and shit. So, there's a lot happening.
Which is the Heineken Junior 0-0 Challenge. Now, if you're going to beat the timing of 1 minute and 35 seconds, to let all of you know, if you want to participate on SG.
Prize! Charot. I didn't
Alrighty, folks. For those of
I
you
was
who are simulators,
144 seconds, but
let's get it on.
I didn't
Let's
get it.
go.
I'm supposed to beat 1 minute and 35 seconds.
You're driving to beat the time of 1 minute and 35 seconds. So
Hi guys, so we're now here sa City Hall MRT. We're gonna take the MRT back to our hotel and then we'll prepare and change outfit for our first day of F1. So today we're going to be expecting F1 Academy, a little bit of Porsche Carrera Cup practice, and as well as a Formula 1 practice tonight. Hello, Jo. So nag-withdraw lang kami ng money din para meron kaming cash in case, stuff happens. And para pang hawker din. Hello, everyone. So, di pala kakabalik lang. Tapos na kami mag-hotel. So, we're going out to watch our first day of F1! Woo! So, supporting Ferrari, of course. Hindi ko na dadalhin yung mic kasi hindi ko alam kung pwede nga tong camera. So, tingnan lang natin kung pwede. Sana pwede. Para hindi ko na kailangan iiwan sa locker. Hello! Ito na kami sa Raffles again. Then we're going to gate 3B to get to Stamford. And we're excited!
We've been here earlier. So, apparently interconnected lang talaga siya. Mabilis na kami. Now we know.
Yep. It's pretty easy.
Yeah.
Sana maabutan namin yung kay Bia and sana mapasok namin to. AI. Yun lang. Guess what? Kapasok! We're finally here! We're here, guys! Grabe, nakapasok din yung DJI saka yung tumbler ni Jo.
Pasok na pasok.
See. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Ay, dito. Ayan, dito. Woohoo! Ano yan?
Pass mo.
Oh no!
Okay, let's just get it later.
Seat 14.
14. The ticket drop down.
Oh no.
Weekend, we've seen that's why she's just made her way back into the pit lane. She's behind the wheel. Car, the one and only, takes to the streets of Marina Bay.
Hello everyone. So tapos na yung F1 Academy. May kwento ako sa inyo. Tapos na yung F1 Academy. Diba? So di ba excited na kami and everything. Kung napansin niyo sa last clip, yung nag-edit ako, na naputol yung video. Naputol yung video kasi yung travel card ko, pang train and MRT, nahulog sa ilalim ng grandstand. So,
Yung pag... Nasa likod niya kasi ako. Hugot niya. Chine-check na ng usher. Sige, can you have your tickets? Okay, present. Pag ganun niya ng phone niya, woohoo! Nahulog! Tapos lahat, kabig lahat, pati yung usher. Where? Down there. Oh, okay.
So, for safety reasons daw, hindi nila pwede kunin ng ganun-ganun lang sa ng grandstand.
Yes.
Kailangan, kaya pinafile kami sa information ng lost and found and na-try daw nila kunin later. So, pretty much no guarantee. Pero, specific naman ako kung saan ko nahulog sa report, di ba? So, sana makuha kasi 1-2 din yun. First day ko pa lang siyang ginamit. So ayun, hopefully, fingers crossed, makuha later. Okay, so now that's out of the way, I'm gonna show you guys my lunch. So this is a, wait nga, flip ko na lang. So this is a nasi lemak na pagkain, ebi tempura, tapos kay Jo,
Chicken curry.
chicken curry.
Tada! Yuckers.
Wow, sarap. Yeah. Okay, let's try it. So, that's the... I don't know about the jersey though, but this is George Russell's helmet. And then the other one is Lewis Hamilton.
Two sticks on the red. I think that's actually a good recommend. On the medium compound.
Hello, Haggard. Pero dito na kami sa Padang stage to watch home.
For everyone attending the race
in a few
person,
minutes.
we're working on ways to reduce. It's just you and me, with the world beneath our feet. We can see for miles up here, yeah. And we can go up here. My location unknown, trying to find our way back home to you again. I gotta get back to you, gotta get back to you. And I don't know why I've been crying over you. For the life of me, I wish that I knew. You'll always be my day one. Day zero when I was the one. I'm nothing but myself. You and no one else. Live for your love. Day one.
Sorry for the appearance, guys. Appearance, guys. We're going back to Stamford for free practice 2. Grabe, nakakapagod mag-concert. Tapos babalik na naman kami. Wala na. Wala na mangyayari sa amin dito.
Overpass, underpass ko dito.
Oo. Diyos ko, Mount Ortigas na naman pala. Okay, we're back at the grandstand. Oh my god, it looks so terrible. Pero
Lovely.
this is the real me.
Hey, Julian, trackside. I am.
We're gonna be
I'm
watching
trackside
free practice
with a
2.
special guest. I'm not sure if we've
It
mentioned
starts in a
that
few
yet, so I'm not going to
minutes.
ruin the surprise.
It's so hot. I'm tired. I need a shower. But yeah,
we
we're
have it. All right.
continuing.
Yes.
Hello, good morning. So, it's day 3. Oh, tama. Day 3 na ng Singapore trip. Today we're going out to do a bunch of things. Bago mag-race, late kami nagising. Kasi grabe, pagod na pagod kagabi. So, hello, guys. So, we're here at Fort Canning Road going to the National Museum of Singapore for Playdate. It's a collection of toys na throughout time and stuff. Basta mga toys siya. Ganun. Tapos parang meron silang mga significance in the world. Yes. Saka, basta something about being creative and everything. So, yun know, as a creative person, we're here. Okay, let's go. It's time to play daw. Ah. Wow! Uy, may Ferrari oh. May Ferrari. Ayan yung books. Oh, Winnie the Pooh. Saka sino to?
Tigger.
Ay, wow. Yung car ni Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean's car. Matchbox. 8-bit. Wow, ang laki naman ng Tamagotchi niyan. My mom's old Tamagotchi. Oh my gosh.
That's basically our child.
Okay, so we can customize our playmate. So, ito. Dapat nag-sign up ka here. So, let's start. Ay, kailangan palang bumili, pre.
Ano yung browse ko?
Kailangan bumili. Never mind. Ayan. With
May
purchase.
photo,
Okay, sige. Magkano ba yan? $5.
$5 din.
$10? Okay, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna buy one.
Try it.
Select your... si Jem. Gusto ko si Uja. Ay, hindi. Gusto ko ng hamster. You're all set. Sige. Avatar name. Yay! Okay, let's try. Ay! So, may tuwalya.
Kailan punan mo ng kape? Kawawa naman siya.
Okay, check out.
Check out mo na yan.
Hamster. Okay, now we're on the way to Lau Pasat for lunch. We're going to eat at the first hawker center of the trip. Woohoo! Exciting. Let's go! Hey guys, so this is what I ordered from the chicken rice stall. It's roasted and steamed chicken with free soup. Then I'm using chopsticks. So let's try our first Singaporean food. Guys, so bumili ako ng lemon juice in one of the stalls and unfortunately sobrang asim niya. Eh kaso kailangan namin umuwi so kailangan ko na ubusin to. So we will chug it. Game. Oh my God! Asim, pre! Asim! Ikaw. Sige, ikaw.
Oh, okay.
O, sige, o.
Oh, sige. Sige, Pag ito na one shot ko, anong kapalit?
Ano one shot? Chug nga.
Ay, chug. Oh, pag ito na chug, Sige, game.
Wait lang, tinan mo naman ako.
Sabi mo, chug
Sige, busin mo na.
Oh.
Nag-backflow ka na ata eh. Busin mo na.
Natatapon to, guys. Sorry.
Wala pala ako eh. Yabang na ito eh. Sa susunod, lahat na ipapatry natin sa kanya. Hi guys, we're buying Yakun Kaya Toast in Singapore. So, ito yung Yakun Kaya Toast. So, this is the... actually, sorry, di ko alam kung if I'm saying it right. But, yeah. And then, this is the French toast ni Joe. And then, this is the Kaya jam na I think it's special. And then... what's the purpose of the eggs?
You eat it together.
With the...
It's like ng Singapore. Like, they usually have this for breakfast.
Okay.
It's like a very healthy and nutritious meal.
Got it. Tapos yung jam and then toast. Let's eat this bread.
You missed the pun there.
Oo nga.
Let's get this bread.
Let's get...
You missed it.
Fine. Let's get this bread. There's the toast and the jam. Gano'n ba dapat karami?
Depende siya.
Dapat siya. Do you think they'll like it?
Yeah. It's not strong.
Only one way to find out. Oh my god,
It's so good.
oh my god, it's on my legs.
I can have this every day.
Oh my god.
I can have this every day.
To describe the taste, parang siyang sweet na... Paano ba i-compare? Kasi sweet yung lasa niya. Sweet na ano eh.
It's very mild. Hindi siya umay.
Parang may kalasa ko siya eh.
Yung jam or yung toast?
Yung jam.
For the Filipinos who watch this. Do you guys know yung salatek? Pero much lighter na ano.
Okay ba?
It's like a very thick condensed milk without the sweetness.
Ayun, ako nga. Condensed milk. Yung iniisip kong lasa.
Condensed.
Yeah. There's a condensed milk.
Pero hindi siya super tamis.
Yeah, but not condensed milk. Parang condensed milk, but it's not condensed milk. Hi guys, it's FP3. We just finished watching Baby Monsters concert. So, ready to watch some F1.
Good evening, Singapore. Welcome wherever you've come from, whether Lion City is home for you or you've come from all sorts of countries around the world. The sites with a car boost.
Oscar Piastri last year was knocked out in Q1. We are brand new to Formula One, and we have a lot of first timers that come to Singapore. And it is a knockout phase.
These tyres feel so different. Colin Pinto.
Been struggling with that car.
ba ako na hindi pa sasabihin kung ano nangyari? Sabay napakita. Wait lang. So, hello guys. So, mayroon kaming update sa inyo. Kasi, di ba, if you remember, yesterday yun, no? Yesterday, I lost my SG Tourist Pass and we've been on it since we got here for the second day of the race. And kanina basta we were looking at the phone and stuff and I was expecting a text kasi nga pinafile kami ulit ng report for the missing tourist pass and everything. So this time around, I gave my Singapore number na we got from Singtel, yeah. And then after that, yun nga, di ko na sana titignan kaso napansin ni Jo na may miss call. So thank you again, Jo. Hindi dahil sa'yo.
Sabi niya, kasi hindi ko pa na-check. Sige, tignan mo.
Oh.
Ganun siya.
Ayun.
May number.
Yep.
8 digit.
Yep. 2 missed calls.
2 missed calls.
2 missed calls.
Sabi ko, hindi ba yan yun? Baka yan yun.
Yeah.
Wala iba tatawag sa'yo, kundi yan.
Tama. And then, after nun, it was like, ano kaya to? So after the qualifying, the very intense qualifying, pumunta kami sa information book. Yung paglapit ko palang alam na nila kung ano yung nawawala ko kasi lagi ako nandun. Diba, sabi, the missing tourist pass. Oh yes, that's us. Tapos titawagan na niya yung nag-coordinate sa amin na parang medyo mas mataas yung rank. Ayun, hinand niya sa akin with and demonstration ko parang niya inabot sa akin.
Oh, you!
Gago! So we got it back! We got the SC Tour Pass kahit last day na niya bukas. Uy, tayo ng libre! So medyo medyo lugi lang ako siguro ng mga 300 pesos dito. Hindi ko nagamit kanina na lumabas kami, but nonetheless, we got it back. It's the last day tomorrow and we're gonna use it to the fullness. To the fullness! Dapat marami tayong pupuntahan bukas. Halika na, umuwi na nga tayo.
Pagod na kami, guys.
Bye.
Na, tama na.
Ito ba? Tama ba pag-absent ko? Okay, we're in the splash
Splash Island.
Splash zone.
Pop that.